Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show how to turn on off Safe Search on Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Once you are in Settings, scroll down until you find the Google option. Tap on Google to open your Google account settings. Now wait a few seconds for everything to load properly. After that, tap on All Services. Next, scroll down through the list until you find Search, Assistant and Voice. Tap on it to continue. Tap Privacy and Safety. Open the Safe Search option. To turn Safe Search on, select Filter or Blur. To turn Safe Search off, select Off. Your settings will be saved automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn Safe Search on or off on an Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.